Hello, I'm Jacob Reyes,
I'm Pryce.
and this is your final Sailor Station. As we approach the conclusion of this very interesting school year, we are truly proud of everyone for pulling through and finishing strong. Even though us seniors are leaving, we still have some good stories to share with you.
We've all been through so much during this time, but lately things have been getting better. Now we finally have an enjoyable summer to look forward to. So let's end this year off with a bang, starting with our episode of Ally's Kitchen with a guide to making fudge brownies. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Ally Christel, and welcome back to Ally's Kitchen. This is, sadly, the last episode of Ally's Kitchen, so I would just like to say thank you for letting me express myself through something I love to do, which is baking. It's been quite a journey, and I've had so much fun making these videos. Let's get started. So today we're going to be making Oreo bars. I've made these for friends and for a couple of functions, and they're a hit every time, and they are so easy to make. Start by counting out 28 Oreos. Add them to a Ziploc bag and make sure to seal tightly and let the air out. Use a mallet or a rolling pin to crush them. Make them fine crumbs but not powder. Line a dish with baking paper and set it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pot and stir on low heat until it's melted. Add 100 grams of marshmallows and stir until they are melted and smooth. You can raise the heat up to medium-low if needed. Add in your Oreo crumbs and mix until combined. It's going to look like too many Oreos, but trust the process. Add this to your dish and refrigerate until cooled. And that's it. These taste amazing and they are so easy to make. I'm Ally Christel and this has been Ally's Kitchen.
Man, I could definitely go for some of those brownies right about now. What about you, Jared?
Well, if I wanted any brownies, I definitely want some from Ally's Kitchen because they look way too good.
Now on to our next segment where we have Michael Preparo teaching us about how to play this cool sport called Spikeball. Let's move over to him.
Top 5 best spikeball serves. Number 5, the under the leg serve. It's pretty basic, but it gets the job done and it's very effective. Also, no one ever sees it coming.
Numero 4, the salsa serve. Now this one also gets the job done. It is also very effective, and also no one ever sees it coming.
Number 3, the curry serve. This was inspired by Stephen Curry himself, and it has helped me through a lot of my competitions. Number 2, the Millie serve. This one was inspired by my good friend Thomas Butatowski, and is a go-to for me to both confuse and destroy my opponents. And number 1, the touch the sky serve. This one is so powerful that it goes up way into the sky and no one can see it. Then as it's coming down, no one can possibly return it because it's coming so fast.
Wow, this game sounds like a lot of fun. I think I'd be really good at it. Who would you play this with, Jared?
That's a good question. I would play this game with my brother, considering he's played this game a lot at school. It would be nice to have an expert at Spikeball give me free lessons during the summer.
Speaking of things to do this summer, we have Gabriel Miller giving us different activities to do over the upcoming summer. Let's take a look. I think these are great activities.
This is great information. Not only do I have a spikeball to practice, but I have a variety of different activities to do. And that concludes our Sailor Station segment. We would like to thank all the people who work behind the scenes to make this happen.
We would also like to say thank you to Mrs. Miller for continuing to help us produce the best work we can.
Ready to say it one more time?
For all things Sailor Nation, we are the Sailor